Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks Futures and Forex Market Preview for the week beginning Sunday the 24th of July, ending Friday the 29th of July. We're in the middle of summer doldrums, is what it is. It's not very exciting. I think it's going to get exciting in about a week or two. Not this week, probably though. And here's the thing. We have end of quarter statements printing on Friday. A Friday summer, it's just bad, right? So I'm not even going to show you the Forex stuff because it was so flat all week and there's just nothing to talk about. We're half size for Forex. Let's get to the stock market stuff. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form as it should be. And you can see we popped up a little bit a couple days, but again, there were some very flat days and just not a lot of action. Let's go through the major indices. So the S&P lost 37.32 on Friday after being up 3 days in a row before that. NASDAQ 100 down 222. So still up for the week, though. You'll see that when I show you the intraday, the interweek. SOX down 74.4. Okay, that's great. Biotech's down 89.89. That didn't go anywhere all week. Russell 2000 down 29 points. Again, up earlier, but down for the Friday. Crude oil is at 95.45. What's really interesting, so this is what matters. Everybody looks at the stock market. We want to trade stocks, but stocks are boring right now and blah, blah, blah. But here's the deal. Crude oil is now sitting at the low of when the war started. And there's a lot of things going wrong there, obviously. And now they're talking about Russia cutting off oil to Europe. And it's not affecting oil. Oil is not going higher. Actually, we're back to lows for what that was. Really, really interesting. The story you hear in the media versus what you're seeing here are not the same thing, right? And the thing is, at the end of the day, like we say at TradeSite all the time, charts matter, people talking don't. Something's not quite right in what is actually going on in the world. And here's another one. Gold, down $3.50. I mean, this thing, gold should be up for inflation, right? So I think the problem is, and I keep saying this, people think there's all this inflation. And I get it. There's some price inflation. Why is there price inflation? Because oil got more expensive, right? And we have supply chain issues, and we have all these other things. But it's not real inflation. Could it come all back if, the war ended? If we fix the supply chain issues from COVID were about to be fixed before the war started. So if that all fixed, could we bring it back? Yeah, probably. But we'll see. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 1618, so more stocks down than up on Friday. On the New York was negative 563, and that's fine. Got 4.7 billion shares on the NASDAQ. That's back down after the first 3 days of the week where the volume was up. The VIX closes at 23.03. That's down. Not a lot of market volatility, right? I'm not saying we're not going to crash. I think we could, but we're not seeing any signs of it internally yet. The trend closes at 1.97. That puts the 10-day at 1.22. Again, not a sell signal on the market. And then we go through the major, whatever. Apple had a good week, but down $1.28 on Friday. Amazon now just a $100 stock after the split, down $2.21. Meta down $13.90 near the lows. Everything's near the lows. Google down $6.44. Like if all these stocks start to make new lows, we're gonna have a problem, right? That's gonna be a negative for everything. Goldman Sachs down $2.61. Had a great week though. Wow. Netflix down $3.44. Peloton down $1.49. Back down to single digits. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up $1.96. So bonds up, rates down. So rates have not really gone lower over the last 2 months. That's what we're really sitting with. Tesla up $1.61, but that's an $800 stock, so that's a blip. Zoom down $4.33, and so that's it. Bitcoin sitting at 22,500 essentially, and that's where we're at. All right, in terms of intra-week action, let's look at the 10-minute candles on the ES. And what do we got? So for the week, we gapped up on Monday, sold off, closed at the lows of the week. We gapped up on Tuesday, went higher. Wednesday flat opening, went almost nowhere. Thursday flat opening, went a little higher. That was the high of the week. Friday flat opening, and then we closed down a bit. So for the whole week, we're kind of flat, is what it is. In terms of economic data coming out this week, we've got some stuff. Let's take a look. I mean, again, it's the end of the month. For U.S. data, consumer confidence, um, um, so we've got, that's Monday, not much, obviously nothing there. Tuesday, housing price index, core S&P housing price index, consumer confidence at 10, Richmond manufacturing index at 10, new home sales at 10, core durable goods at 8:30, goods trade balance at 8:30. This is all on Wednesday. Preliminary wholesale inventories. You got the pending home sales out of the U.S., crude oil inventories, and then the Fed announcement. So we got a 2-day Fed announcement this week, which is going to ruin Tuesday and Wednesday in the middle of the summer. It's already ruined anyways, right? Nobody cares. Advanced GDP, the first look at GDP for the second quarter is at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday. That'll be a big number. I mean, checking that one out, right? We'll see what that really looks like. Natty gas at 10:30. And then on Friday, core PC price index, employment cost index, personal income and spending, Chicago PMI at 9:45, revised University of Michigan sentiment, and whatever. So that's the week. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, please feel free to do so. We will talk to you during the week and have a great trading week.